Hello, everyone, and welcome to Level Up Your English. Today, I'm going to read you a story. The story is called The Little Door in the Tree. This is a simple English story to help you learn naturally. Just listen, relax, and enjoy. Let's begin. The Little Door in the Tree. Lily was walking in the forest near her grandmother's house. The sun was going down, and the trees were very tall and dark. Lily was not scared. She knew this forest well. She came here every week with a basket of bread and apples. But that evening, something was different. Near the river, under a large old tree, Lily saw a small red door. She stopped walking. The door was in the tree. It was very small. A cat could go through it. A child could not. Lily looked at the door carefully. It had a little silver handle and a round window. Was this here before? She asked quietly. Nobody answered. Lily put down her basket and touched the door. It was warm. Very slowly, the little door opened by itself. Inside, there was no wood. There was a long corridor with yellow light. Lily stepped back. "That is impossible," she said. Then she heard a voice. "Please," said the voice, "come in." Lily looked around, but she could not see anyone. "Who are you?" she asked. "I live here," said the voice. "I need help." Lily wanted to run away, but the voice did not sound angry or dangerous. It sounded old and tired. So Lily bent down and looked through the little round window. Inside the corridor, she saw a tiny man with a long green coat and white hair. He was standing beside a table. On the table, there was a golden cup. "I am the keeper of the tree," said the tiny man, "and someone has stolen my key." Lily blinked. "Your key?" "Yes," said the man. "Without it, I cannot close the tree door tonight." Lily looked at the sky. It was getting darker. "Why is that bad?" she asked. The little man's face became serious. "Because at midnight," he said, "the wrong things begin to come in." All right. That was the story, The Little Door in the Tree. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to improve your English, listen again and try to understand more each time. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to subscribe to Level Up Your English. See you in the next story.